Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Herpetology Culture. Today we will discuss the family Boidae and what it is. Boidae is a common term for non-venomous constricting snakes, also known as boa. Like one giant muscle, this family of snakes tightens around its prey to incapacitate and consequently kill their prey. There are around 40 species of boa, with some growing as big as 15 feet, while others max out at 1 foot in length. Because none of these snakes use venom, snakes classified under Boidae utilize between 10,000 to 15,000 muscles when constricting their prey. They are able to consume prey significantly larger than their heads because of a unique bone structure, which will be discussed in the next slide. While boas are closely related to pythons, a large difference between them is that boas are ovoviviparous, meaning they incubate their eggs internally and give birth to live young. Boas have a unique bone structure that allows them to fit into a predatory niche. Their skulls are complex. The lower jaw is split into two pieces connected by an elastic band that allows them to separate and walk up their prey, a process by which they move one side of the skull at a time. And another important piece of their skull is the quadrate bone that allow them to open their jaw far wider than any other animal. Boas also have a vestigial pelvic bone called a spur that allow a male to clasp a female during copulation. These are located on either side of the cloaca, which consequently separates the body from the tail. On average, a snake's body consists of up to 300 vertebrae with a pair of corresponding ribs totaling a max of 900 bones. Of course, this number is subject to the size of the snake. Boas are sit-and-wait predators, conserving energy by allowing their prey to come to them. When an animal comes near, they strike at a speed that would make a human pass out. They then coil around their prey and constrict their muscles. However, there is some debate in the Boidae community on whether this constriction is meant to suffocate the prey or restrict blood flow to the brain. Either way, boas remain tightly wrapped around the animal until it dies. The most common snake in the family Boidae is the boa constrictor. Coming in at the seventh longest snake species, these true boas can live up to 30 years. They grow continually throughout their lifespans, but average 13 feet when fully grown, with some being reported as large as 16 feet. They come in a wide variety of colorations and patterns, with 10 recognized subspecies. This snake is also extremely common in the exotic pet trade and readily breeds in captivity. In conclusion, Boidae is a family of snakes that rely on constriction versus venom. From personal experience, they make an excellent pet and can be inquisitive and docile companions. As a whole, they are a uniquely interesting group of reptiles. Tune in next week to Herpetology Culture, where we discuss agamids, the dragon lizards. Thanks for listening and have a wonderful day.